In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install cheat menu. Download this cheat menu mod. To install this cheat menu, you need Clio Redux. Download this required mod as well. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the Clio Redux setup. Select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the accept and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to game folder. Select the GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition and select OK and select next option, next install. Once this installation done, select finish. And now open the extracted cheat menu. Open this version folder. Copy all these files and right click on the game and select open file location. Open game face, binaries, Win64, Clio. Paste the files in here. Replace the file in the destination. Once you done this, close tab here and start the game. Once you are in game, press the F1 key to open up this cheat menu. And in main, you can able to see cheats, add health, add armor, add ammo. Go to car spawner, choose the vehicle type. Choose the vehicle you like to spawn. To close this menu, press the F1 key. And now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.